In this video, I will be having a look at growing sprouting seeds in a tray. This method uses fast-growing seed varieties to grow a crop that can be harvested in less than a week. So if you can time your sowings right, you can have a constant supply of yummy, freshly grown greens. And it's so simple and easy to do. So let's break down the process. 1 week ago, I sprinkled some alfalfa and watercress seeds on top of some compost in flat rectangular trays.
The small seeds were easy to sprinkle over the compost, and I was able to get good coverage of the tray. This allows me to get the most yield from the small area I am sowing.
I tried to get an even spread of seeds on the surface, and then gently patted them into the compost to make sure they were making contact. Then a light sprinkling of compost to cover the seeds. A light spray of water was then added to moisten the mix, and the tray was left in the polytunnel to germinate. And in only a few days, as you can see, the seeds germinated and started to rapidly grow.
Please like and subscribe to our channel if you are enjoying our videos so we can continue making more. And check out my website at Compost Secrets for more info. After 6 days, the watercress was ready to harvest. So I got my scissors. And as you can see, the greens are very easy to harvest. You can now sow trays at regular intervals to make sure you have a constant supply of fresh greens. I will leave you with video of the next 2 trays I sowed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.